Okay, so let us analyze this sentence. This is example of immediate constituent analysis. So how can we do it? That is, by morphemes we have to divide the sentence. Okay, so the example given in our text itself is this: the boys shouted loudly. So how many words we have? The boys shouted loudly. So we have 4 words. Okay. So first of all, we have to divide as the boys. That is the first step of dividing the sentence. The boys shouted loudly. The boys, that is one segment of the sentence, and then shouted loudly. And then the next step, immediately we cannot divide as the boys shouted loudly. That is not the way to divide a sentence. Okay, traditional grammar says yes, it is parts of speech. The articles, boys, noun, shouted, verb, and loudly, adverb. Likewise, traditional grammar says that, but that is not the way, and that's if we divide in that way, students will not be able to learn the language properly as well as quickly. So that's not the way to divide a sentence. Rather, this is the way to divide a sentence. That is, first of all, the subject predicate. Okay, actually the concept subject predicate is not given in ICA, and that's why ICA is also not rejected. Okay, let me tell you that TG grammar, that is transformational generative grammar, is what followed today, and you also followed TG grammar, transformational generative grammar. Okay, that is the latest concept of learning a grammar, and that by that only you also studied English language, and but we followed traditional grammar, which is not good, and you definitely, all of you followed traditional grammar, and which is what welcomed today. Okay, so before traditional grammar, we had 2 more grammars. That is what we are studying now, and that is ICA and subject predicate. That's how we have to divide a sentence. But they did not know the concept of subject and predicate. That concept is also not given in traditional grammar, but they simply divided as the boys, that is one segment, shouted loudly, that is another segment. Okay. So, and then the next step, the boys, that also could be further divided. I mean, let's say the next step is the boys, that is not further divided, shouted loudly. And then the second segment of this sentence is further divided, shouted loudly. Shouted is one word and loudly is another word. And in the third step is this, the first segment, the boys, is further divided as the boy is. The boy is. Okay, so that's how the first segment, the boys, is divided as the boy is. And then shouted is also further divided as shouted. Okay, and then loudly is also divided as loudly. Okay, so that's how we have to divide a sentence. So after dividing a sentence, we can understand that the meaning, the structure. Let's say the boys shouted loudly. That is definite article. That is the particular. Okay, so the definite boys, the particular boys, then the boys, it is plural. Boys, it is not girls or men. So the boys, and it is plural. And, so the particular set of boys, so shouted. Okay, it is past tense. They are shouting. It is not like that. They shout. They always shout. It is not like that. They shouted. Maybe before some time they shouted loudly. Okay, so the boys shouted loudly. So shout is a word, and ed that indicates that it is a past tense. And loudly, how they shouted, the way how they shouted, loudly they shouted. So loud is adjective. He has a loud voice. They have a loud voice. So there it is used as an adjective. But here it is a word used as an adverb. Loudly. Okay. So that's how it is should be. The sentence should be divided. Okay. So the word loudly also could be divided as loud and loudly, and it becomes adverb, and shouted, shouted, and then it becomes a past tense. The boys, and they are the doer of the action, and the boys, definite article, that is those particular boys, and boys. Okay, so it is not singular and it is plural. Okay, so this is said to be this is said to be ICA. That's how a sentence should be analyzed. Okay, so likewise we can, okay, the girls, a girl, a man, men, the men, women, woman, the women, a woman. Likewise, the subject could be divided or used, and shouted, shouting, will shout, have shouted, had shouted. Likewise, verb also could be constructed, used, and loudly, silently, slowly. Likewise, we can use the words and construct the sentences. Okay, this is said to be IC analysis, and using this example, we can construct lots of sentences. Okay, like this is the girl shouted loudly, a girl shouted loudly, a man shouted loudly, a man is shouting loudly. Okay, likewise we can frame our own sentences. That's how this is said to be immediate constituent analysis. Okay, so the example is explained in this video. Thank you.